welcome back to my channel, and today we've got another unboxing, but this is the powder beauty drawer and this is the February edition. This is £13 a month. I took it out over a 6 month subscription thing, but you can do 12-month or you can have a one-off box, and they do sometimes on Groupon special offers. But this is it. This is the February one. So yes, we're just going to open it. I have not actually opened this box. I've just took the outer casing off because it just makes it a lot more easier. So yeah, so here we go. As you will see, this is the February edition. Ooh, it feels quite heavy, and there's something in there that's heavy-ish. So yes, we're just going to take off the paper, if it will come off nicely for me. Oh, and we've got it filled full of lovely words, but we'll just undo that. Yes, so let's just take that and put it on the road. Right, so this is the February box. So you see the contents. Now I will just take one out, and what is the first one that we got? So I'm just going to take a sneak peek at this box. So this box is £13 and it looks like to be worth it as well. So we have a Context Microderm Regenerator. Right, okay, so I'll pull them out, then we'll have a look at, do we have a little booklet? Because that would be absolutely fantastic if we do. And did it come over here? I don't think we have a booklet, which is a bit of a shame because I use the booklet to get the prices and what I think of them. Right, so we will just pull them out and I will put all the prices down below. So yeah, so you will know what they like. So we've got Context. There we go. And there we got Dr. Pawpaw, but this is a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural fermented pawpaw. So is that the same as the yellow one? Because we got a yellow one in, what was it? Not last month's box, but it was the box. It wasn't look fantastic. Anyway, I will sort that out as well, but I think that we have the yellow one, and I'm not sure. This is like baffling me because that is like a really different colour, but it does say it's fragrance free. So I'll pull them out and then we'll just have a look at them again. Oh, we got cetaphil. This is a really good product, cetaphil. This is a gentle skin cleanser. So yeah, that's definitely sample size. Then we have got a Rodial suede lips. So there we go, Rodial. And then we have got a toner, Tea Tonique, no it's not toner, Tea Tonique shower wash. So there we go. Then we have got a Tea Tonique body lotion. And that's that. We've got a really nice lipstick. So this is the Matte Me Ultra Smooth by Sleek. Sorry for that is just my stomach rumbling. So this just twists off like that, so it's really easy, and it's a one of those, so we will just swatch it. Wow, that's really nice. Right, okay, so we got that, and so yes, I'm just going to put that over there for now. Then we got this, which is a skin cleanser. So yeah, so, and also we have a coupon here for £3 off. So if you like this product, you get £3 off it, which is really good. It's Superdrug, so I will probably be taking that coupon and getting some more of this because I do use this quite a lot. And this is just not going to open for me at all, so that will be going in my 300 subscribers giveaway because I already have one of these. I use it quite a lot. So yeah, so get subscribing, please. Also follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I have a box full of beauty products. So that is for my 300 subscriber giveaway. So yes, get subscribing. And also comment down below if you want to be in my 300 subscriber giveaway. This is a shower wash. Right, so we'll just have a quick scent of that. Quick scent, no, quick smell. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It does have a nice lemony scent, which is really, really nice. I do like that. So yeah, that I'm looking forward to using that in my shower. That is really good because usually we always get bath products. I don't have baths, I have showers. So this is a really good, as probably as well, I don't know what it is, Miller Harris. So that is like a lightish scent, and I'm just going to swatch a bit of that. So this is the body lotion that is ultra hydrating. That is a really good moisturiser. It did take literally seconds to sink into the skin. I had this thing where if it sits on the skin too long, a moisturiser is just no good. But that was like straight onto the skin and straight into the skin. So yeah, I do like that. When it goes straight into the skin, it proves that it's actually going to do something. So that is a really good one. And so yeah, so what else did we get? We got this context, didn't we? This, I do not know what it is. So yeah, so if you know what this is, let me know in the comments down below because I just do not know what it is. I think it could be a moisturiser. I don't know. But it's got one of those awkward tags on it again, so I'm just going to have to take the tag off it. Come. Right. So now we're in. Now we're just gonna. Oh, it's like a gel. Don't know if you'll be able to see about that, but it's like a gel. Is this like a wash serum? It has like the scrubby texture. That is definitely a wash serum, like a face wash. It doesn't have any scent at all, so I would suppose that that is a face wash. It feels like a face wash. It would have been nice if they'd actually put on what it was. I mean, it does say microderm regenerator, but I really do not know what a regenerator is. So if you know what a regenerator is, let me know in the comments down below because I don't know what that is. Right, okay, so this is also, we got the, what is it? Radial Suede Lips. And is this just going to be twist off? No, it is not. So we're looking for right, so now I'm into this. So yeah, so we will see what it's like. Hopefully it's going to be a nice brownie colour, as I would say suede is usually a brownie coloured. But let's just see. Oh, that looks really, really nice. Really nice. So yeah, so we've got 2 lipsticks in this month's box. Oh my gosh, I love that colour. Look at that colour, just that colour. That is absolutely a really, really nice colour. So we've got 2 lipsticks that I love this month. So yeah, so that's another win-win box. We've got some good boxes this month. So for my £13, I would say that this is going to be the Rodial lipstick. I think that would be about £15. I will leave the proper price down below when I find it out. I think that will be about £6. I'm going to say that's about £6 for the Dr. Pawpaw, because this is actually a red sparkly Dr. Pawpaw. I have the yellow Dr. Pawpaw, and I'm just going to put it out because I have it somewhere. Sorry for this, I'm just going to put this Dr. Pawpaw out that I use all of the time. I know I use it all the time, but it's... Right, so there we go. We have the original Dr. Pawpaw. You see, that's the original one. But this one is a limited edition red sparkly one. Now I'm interested. I did not see the red sparkle. Wow. Right, okay, so then that has got me interested in this. So this, I will find out the proper price of that, because it's obviously going to be more. I wonder if this is actually... Right. So there we go. Brought out because it's February, the Valentine's sort of thing. I wonder if they've actually thought, oh, it is Valentine's, let's bring something out that's red and sparkly, because that's what we want, isn't it? So let's just see how sparkly it is. Is it gonna... So there we go, that is it. So I suppose that this would be good for the days that you don't want to put lipstick on and you just want something that's going to actually shade it. Oh, look at that. Look at that colour. That is a gorgeous colour, but is it going to sparkle? It really is sparkly on my hand, but I don't know if you're going to get it and you're just going to get a look on my Fitbit Blaze, but really pretty. I shall just put some on the other hand just to see if you get the colour right, because it's gorgeous, and it's just not going to actually show up, but it is really, really pretty colour. So I'll probably do a get ready with me using this. I'll show you and see and then you'll see what it's like. So yes, now I've got it all over my hands, but it just is beautiful. I mean, beautiful. I'll see if you get a better look at it, just so you see the gold glitter in it. It's like gold glitter, but that is lovely. Right, okay, so then we had a look at this, didn't we? This is the context. We've had a look at the shower wash. So I think that is the end of this month's the powder box. You got quite a lot of stuff actually. I forgot about this. Right, okay, so we got a shower gel, a shower wash, and then we got this one, which is the body lotion. Wow, and then we got the Rodial lipstick. Then we got this gorgeous lipstick. So I wonder if you put that one on first and then you go over with that, what it's going to look like. So actually I've got a red lipstick on, so I'm just going to actually see what it goes on like, if it can go over the top of a lipstick. So I'm just going to put a little bit on because it's like, I'm so intrigued to see what it goes like. It is very, very moisturising. It's not actually doing anything. So we'll try a bit more and then we will see what it works like. Looks like, not works like. Is it actually going to do something? Just going to get my mirror. There is gold spots on it there, but it has took my lipstick off. And now I look like a clown. Oh my gosh, I look like a clown. I don't want to look like a clown in my video, but it's gone all over. Right, okay, so then if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.